Hey guys, it's little Lexi. So today, I have some news. So Emma is sick. She came home from school today. She came home early. I'm like, so why exactly did you come home? Did you not feel well? She's like, I threw up. So Rachel is coming to pick up Mia, watch her for the day, maybe, I think maybe sleeping over there. So, yeah, so now you guys are all caught up. So I'm just gonna put her down for a nap, and then you guys can come help me bring medicine too. And here she is. I laid her down on the couch because I didn't want her all the way upstairs, because if she threw up, then I would have to go all the way up there, check on her, and if she did throw up, I would have to bring all the supplies down, from down here to up there, and then back down with her, so I'm just going to bring you guys up there lower so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So here we have a little baby. So she's going to sit up where you guys were because she just likes sitting up there. So the way I make my medicine is easy. I have this basic little nail polish looking thing. It has a little tab. You just pop it open and it squirts out very slowly. It's clear actually, but the bottle it's this pink color. So pop. So then just take this little brush, like lip gloss looking thing. It's not actually lip gloss, it's like nail glue that I got. So just pat it in there. It's like the nail glue I have. It's not actually the nail glue that I have though. So just take a little bit of this, rub on medicine. It's more like when you rub it onto maybe under their nose or something. The doctor said I should put it in their medicine. Then just used to spray materials and baby scooters. Okay, so that is absolutely enough. Let's put that there. Okay, take this, just stir it up. Let's put it. Okay, just gonna let that sit for a sec. Okay, hey guys, so it's been a couple of minutes, so it's kind of still looks the same way it did in the beginning, so if you don't know what it looked like in the beginning, if you can't really tell, this is what it looked like in the beginning, so that's what it looks like now. So I'm just going to take this cover and put it on a mixture shape. Shake it upside down and put it back. Put it in a little freezer that I got at the mall because the doctor's going to give me one that I needed. So there. If you want, if your baby doesn't actually want to take it, if you need a certain way for it to actually work, there is a way to just take LA Colors, aka known as black. So just take a little bit of this. You don't want to put a lot in because it's just for color. So there's our color. Do it this way. So this. It's like blue. Okay, so we're gonna push all of our stuff down. That. Let our little extra mixture get into what we just put in our lac, and put it back in the fridge. So I would recommend doing this a couple hours before you stick to it, because you can't actually have it right away. You have to have it in the freezer for a couple, for at least 1 hour for the best. I put it in for an hour, and if I'm gonna do it earlier in the morning, then I do it overnight. If you do it overnight, it seems to work longer than the one that you do if you put it in for an hour. So yeah. Let's go do something for an hour. I think I'm not gonna show you everything I did for an hour. What I'm gonna be doing is changing Emma. When Mia wakes up, I'm gonna get her ready, get her back packed, and then Rachel will be here in a few. So I will see you guys after that. So there's Emma and Mia. This is probably the last time you're gonna see her today. So yeah, so it's been an hour. I did kind of stop the video, well, I should say pause the video, so you guys did have to see what I did actually for an hour. So it's time to feed the baby. This is actually the very boring process, so I'm not going to actually show you guys this. So this is Emma before she has her medicine. Okay, so hey guys, so I did give Emma the medicine, but it stained my cup thing. I do need that for other things, so we're gonna go wash it out with some stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys how to. so you guys can see that. So, yeah. It's only been like 11 minutes so far when I checked in the bathroom. But I think I'm going to end the video here. I will put in the comments if Emma is feeling better. And if I did send her to school in a few more weeks, I might make a video of me getting ready in the morning with the girls. But for now, subscribe, like, comment if you want. My nails polish are coming off because I use that nail polish remover. But, you know, there was something in this, so I should get it out. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So, there's Emma over there sleeping. There's Emma sleeping. So, it's only been 13 minutes, so, I think we're just gonna stop here. So, there's Emma sleeping soundly. So, I think we're just gonna stop there, so, I think we're just gonna stop there today, guys. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. So, bye, guys.